In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. Before we dive in, a quick note on what deleting actually means. When you delete an expense, you're removing that transaction from your books entirely. It will no longer appear on your expense list, reports, or vendor activity. Because this changes your financial history, make sure you really want it gone. If the expense falls in a reconciled month or a closed period, consider checking with your accountant first. Also, ensure you have the right user permissions in QuickBooks Online to delete transactions. Once you're in QuickBooks Online, start by opening the Expenses area from the left-hand panel. This navigation bar is your main hub, and the Expenses section is where all money-out transactions live. After that, move into the Expenses tab. You may see multiple tabs, such as Expenses and Vendors. The one we want is Expenses, which displays your transaction list. Here, you'll see a list of all your expenses recorded. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct one by checking details like the payee, date, and amount. If your list is long, use the filters or search field to narrow things down. Accuracy matters here, because deleting the wrong transaction can affect your reports and reconciliations. When you've found the expense you want to remove, click View or Edit on that line. This opens the full transaction so you can double-check everything one last time. If anything seems off, it's a good idea to pause and verify before proceeding. Next, look toward the bottom of the expense window for the More button. Click More, then select Delete. Choosing Delete removes the transaction from your file. QuickBooks may prompt you to confirm. This is just a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Once confirmed, the expense is gone. That's all there is to it. After deletion, the expense will disappear from the list, and any totals or reports that included it will update accordingly. If you realize you deleted the wrong item, you can recreate the expense using the original details. You can also review your audit log to see a history of changes and confirm what was removed. A few final tips to keep your books clean. Always delete with intention, especially for items tied to reconciled bank statements. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have permission, so check with your company's admin. And consider documenting why you removed a transaction so your future self or your accountant has the full context. And that's how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online.